Hi everyone. So I guess I'm going to try something that I've learned when I was in school. Since Chinese New Year is right around the corner, I am going to try and make a lantern using red packets. So what I actually usually use is 12 red packets of the size, and fold it in half, and you just fold the sides down. So it looks like this, and you do this to all 12 red packets. Okay, so once we have folded all 12 red packets, we assemble 4. So hopefully we'll try and put it in the same direction. Sort of like this. And I staple it. The third one. So after you staple it, it'll look like this. So we do two sets of 4s. So after we're done with 2 sets, we still have 4 more that we folded. So what we do is we put this down. You kind of put it down here. The intention is to try and join the 2 sets. See, it's already forming the shape. So now you try and join the second lot. So now you have a lantern. And what you do is you can take a ribbon staple it here. And you have your lantern.